DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Yo. What's going on? Jambisco back with another banger. You already know what time it is. Yo, Dan Mafia. You see what we are doing today, man? The war is on. The war is still continuing. But we are something a bit different. You see what we are dealing with on the screen today. Apparently we're there with a fully bad freestyle. Apparently gonna link up with the Fix and the Fix freestyles. Okay, and he's here with another one today. We'll check out the video. A fully bad Demarco this freestyle performance. You see me? That link up with the links, man, and you look at the Fix. You link up with the Fix and look at the Fix. Them start a new series called Freestyle. You see me? The Fix freestyles. You see me? I say I'm gonna start check out the series more. So let me know if you like that in the comment section, gang. Let me know if you want to see more freestyle from the Fix freestyles or any other platforms like what the thing there, the BBC performance or the underground performance. You see me? But anyway, you go check it out and see what they might deal with today, gang. You don't know, fully bad. Want to see a dog I do it. This is a freestyle, so I don't know if you go and perform a song that he's done before. But want to see that do that or a freestyle or a performance setting. You see me, gang? So now we'll vibe much longer. Let's jump right in. It's fully bad Demarco this freestyle performance. Let's get it, gang. Come on.
Yo, people, come back to the Fix. Right now, in a bag of talking and all this. Yes, the artists are out for freestyle in the midst of a lyrical war, you know. So you're supposed to know, say, supposed to lyrically sharp, shing. You know what I mean? Lyrics, I'm supposed to chop.
Big up the Fix, big up Maro. You see me? Big up everybody over there, the whole Blood Clean
Yeah, the production right now. So, without any further ado, we bring to you fully bad, you know. Fully.
That a code, you know.
That's a code, you know.
Yo, the Fix.
Easy, no? But I want to go on a kind of blow. Commercial thing, this dog. What am I trying to deal with it? No, man, come on. Get this out of here.
And stay, so you know.
But yeah, for them fully.
Dark with dark, you know. Turn up the beat now.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, man. One code and them can't get the password. But bitch pan black I make your ass twerk. From school days, me feel every class work.
Okay.
Millions with jaw and never hard work. So that mean me done. Me
come
chop
in now, man.
funds. We run
I mean, man, millions with try never blow artwork, bro. I want to them. You see me? Millions with try never artwork. Come in.
Athlete me ton, the athlete the crown, German league in the town. Raw henny pan high, some cause some wheat for bun. No chocolate my gun.
Any pies, Uncle Sam with you know that gas, that's come on.
German league in the town. Raw henny pan high, some cause some wheat for bun. No chocolate my gun, more shot people now. Hey, girl your pussy small and not medium.
Listen, man. That's facts. We like those. Come on.
More shot people now. Hey, girl your pussy small and not medium. Want fuck out your throat, make you succeed for now. That bitch a does a blow like a fan bring she come.
Pala, hey, yo, fully bodied up. Fully bodied up, hey.
Rum and that keeps you junk. My pocket na dry like wet pants in the sun. Hacking my skull, a chop in my love. Yo, the Fix.
Man, say my pocket na dry like pants in the sun. Talk to him.
Mommy asks if me still a thief. Was daddy go see the be my key.
Yeah.
And me born for rich from a bin a teed. Me rich back, broke back. I'm still a mish. Hold on, crash a bench up a big.
Hey, fully bad I go on there. Come on.
Gabis, reach out I game and we still a do it. Have them chick a feet, she a freak. Get them bitch a free. Send one go get sick up and it's in a street level. I treat up with them set pa me. Me go zo up a ring and take coffee.
Yeah.
Have gyal a popular take ecstasy. Look
who's up, Brii? Hey, come on, I'm getting a popular. Come on.
Money make she get nasty. I mean, no see no sport if you take part in.
Yeah.
I scam in the game, it me get caught in. Big fat whip with the exhaust in.
Yeah.
Fat premium palm, be a broad rim.
Yeah.
I must graveyard palm my finger.
Yeah.
To it a stored up for me skull. She have to send more money. I bang a line and me door up in. Tell Mocha we no know nothing.
Tell Mocha we don't know nothing, Mocha. I'm telling man. What chopping? What banging? What is a banger? I don't know what that is, Mocha. Come on.
Tell Mocha we no know nothing.
Nothing.
Yo, the Fix. Listen what go on.
What's chopping?
I saw me chip the Glock and flip the cash. No chop small food that a fitness snack.
So me chip the Glock, me flip the cash. Oh, you mean? Hey, come
Chip
in.
the Glock and flip the cash. No chop small food that a picnic snack. Me have Jada Kingdom.
Wow, no chop small for a picnic snack that. Baby, hey, kids, me.
PR pill for pop. I feel rich for that. We bang off a line, we into that. Jag down a miller, simple maths. Money laundry. Me rinse the cash, chop a whole foot until line a ring my back. Nah rock.
Easy now.
So you see in my scheme. Uptown girl sucky with the ice cream. The god jive in, them girl slide in. You nah see a thing, me tint the windshield. For real.
Well, hey, I can't see none of this. 5%, 0%. You can't see none
Dive
of this.
in, them girls slide in. You nah see a thing, me tint the windshield. For real? You man a normal pre. Now fall in a love like Silk Bass and Brii. My dog.
No! Ra. Wait, dog, do. Dog, fire shots at Silk Bass and Brii? What? No, dog, the boy a bad man.
Leads, my dog.
Yo, a fully bad versus Silk Bass? Bombard.
Line, I'm a big thief. Hello? Me client accept my call. Every dollar, every cent me want. This evening, me nah left me yard till the checks enough. You hear me, dog? So tell the runner so forget the car and tell me catty put on a sexy jazz.
You see that one?
That listen up.
Hey,
That,
fully
me
bad.
see now. Hey, dog, I go on in again. Hey,
I
yo.
feel like Party I got have some problems with one of them line there, you know. In Party. That's what I'm there. Party. Yeah, fully bad now the fix, you know. Read him up again now, DJ now, Ari.
That is it, you know.
I give myself.
You know a dark with dark, you know. No boy. No weapon on the island, you hear that? A one bad gun, I may say you're uptown. Your pussy face now miss this a scope. Bring this a road bad like Christopher Coke. Every higher so grease on the engine alone. And when you gun your bus a pop G in your phone. Fuck mouth Marco watch too much porn. And me a bleach with this till it change my skin tone. One door this shit got 59 clothes. One uptown.
That boy have clarity, you know. Yeah, man, dog full of clarity, man, and dog a chop, man. Yo, in performance and the music is giving me a different vibe, bro. No cap.
And bust your head close. Big gun liar. Shoulda keep like.
Easy.
Hold up.
Let me do the shit got boy no man my father.
The shit cut boy. The shit cut boy.
I know, big gun liar, shoulda keep quiet. Remember David murder Goliath. Renee puppy tail in your face till she tired. Select the iron, reject the giant. Similar to Hyson Higloo, Rab and Secute. In a badness enough thing we contribute. You nah make no dope you never yet kill you. Somebody get fuck and I never prostitute. Scope on the broom, aim on me shoot. Brain on me shoes, chain and recruit. No fight war fi lose, way that we choose. They are so turn up with the cape on me roof. 50 pound two standard like you're unusual, a brutal, crucial with the human who bad.
He chopping for real, gang. He chopping for real. Come on.
50 pound two standard like
Fully. This make me have a different level of respect for your G. Your performance, bro. Make me see your music and everything in a different light. I ain't gonna lie. Your clarity is there, my G. Your vibes and energy is different from the song. So, yeah. We can see how do crazy things on the stage, my G. Yo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Come on.
that we choose. They are so turn up with the cape on me roof. 50 pound two standard like you're unusual, a brutal, crucial with the human who bad prove that. In a Demarco face, the girl them booty clap.
Come on, man. Come on, bro. Yo, fully, this make me have a different respect for you. Come on, bro.
Me go hot up round this, I gon' need a coolant. We full of tool, you fuck mechanic, I the tool pan. Rifle more too long, go to belly at the pan. Ride up, kickstand, zigzag, sing song, pistol, ching chang, bandolero, pinchers. Put you one in another clip, you and a Libra.
Bro, the man performance can give you a different vibe for the music, bro. The man clear. Or the man clear than when him in the booth? Or you performing clearer than when you in the booth, bro? That's a good thing though. Real shit.
Me close to this year like Bob and Rita. Set a example, so them more figured. Say we got the K, we full of stripe like zebra. Look at the virus bigger. Everyone help pack up in the Berita. 10% a dance all of me nigga, next 90%. Hold on no. Some can send a screenshot. They done bust up your face with the 16 back.
Come on no man. Come on now. Fully bad. You're bad fully. Yeah man. Fully bad. You're bad fully dog. Ready to talk today? You're bad fully. Me, I tell her that. Jambisco stand up, eat nobody. Hey, if Jambisco no say so, you know, got so. Fully bad, you're bad fully. Come in, man. Yeah, man.
Hold on now. Them a make chat, talking's free. We a make bomb like Darling Street. Hot up them black like money.
Bro, that line there, bro. That line there is crazy. You do know what Darling Street is? Go Google that, bro. That was a place where some form of, I don't want to say it, attack happened, explosion happened. Go check it out, bro. Come on.
Catch them group up like all in key. A brawling pre. The fat is sweet. That
come on, no man.
hear that.
Come on, bro.
Code, you know my father.
Code.
You want me to say something more?
Code. Yo, up to the blow. Ajala, the man's dog. Yo. This is a vibe. Fully. Keep doing your thing, Jay. Oh my. This, let me see now on different light. No joke.
You know a code come
Let
down.
me see a different light, man.
Guess what? Me ring full of ancestor. You know see the Mark X with the Tesla. Rims put pan the
Guess
Majestic.
what?
No spin keep am.
Guess what? I'm ring full of ancestor. Yeah, man. Me well protected ancestor. They don't them. Come on.
Mark X with the Tesla. A big rims put pan the Majesta. No spin keep am loop button sensor.
Yeah.
Na the game police no give me pressure. Remember me handy a fucking inspector. You get
Easy the time right here. Police never be there. They say, "Oh man,
move. Yeah me start move. Yeah me start move extra. I'm me dopey them vex now. Or the fuck them feel lock down me text now. I bet you say me make you wake to a dead cow. Me left client a feed pan pet show. Hold on, account empty out, sell the house. And what the fuck you a tell me about? A 12 bills for a night up at 20 south. Getting a trouble in a. Hold on there, guess what? Me ring full of ancestor. You know see the Mark X with the Tesla. A big rims put pan the Majesta. No spin keep on my loop but no sensor. Na the game police no give me pressure. Remember me handy a fucking inspector. You get chop I'ma start move. Yeah me start move. Hold on big fat whip. Me tint that glass. Rich like Ross. Money think like fast. Line keep fingers crossed.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Performance and make me hear a song them differently. No joke, the clarity is there, my G. Come on.
Run a fee food and then bring that fast. Hug up the any battle, spin that fast. Gyal a suck dick and a spit palm balls. On the current on me tell us and me ring them charge. Goes up my client and they time them. Horse money pan risk to hear me attack. Me chain them bright but me live in night dark. Chiffin on my car, me licking a wall. Me don't give a fuck when the midnight brav smoke.
Easy the man song them bad dog. Brad, hey, come on.
By leads and call, mean and dark at the cheese man want. 17 close, me we squeeze and blast. Shake up the ground like Jesus pass. Just another sin, just another.
Hey, fully. You're bad, fully that. Come on.
The black papa pill. I tell me some rich, I must me up and make me chim. Anytime me touch your phone, that's just another meal.
Is it a
sin, drop another beam, just another catty.
Yeah, that does survive too. Look at that, so easy does it for that. You know, come here, man. Fully.
Mama deal the girl them to no man. Hold on there. Girl continue move. No man never fuck you and buy your cup soup.
Come on, yeah, man. Hey, fully. Hey. Shout out to the girl with the fuck for the cup soup. Come here.
Girl continue move. No man never fuck you and buy your cup soup. No me rich, come a goon. When a bitch a suck me dick here, me high up on the moon. What? And she a say me cocky huge. Swallow me juice that a one of me you two sister want have me for food that a family feud.
Fully. Yeah, man. Now you not punch on him sick. Two sister want damn me for food that a family feud. Come on.
Me you two sister want have me for food that a family feud. I saw she go and pan the broom off it jar fear map the girl a flood out my room. She puffy weed get higher for the booze. Any left your pussy left with bruise.
Pull Any left bruise. Wow, I can't forget that. Remember?
Hey! Dick in the pool, miss grip, you got the glue and you full of attitude.
Easy that one, easy that. Hey, fully bad, you're bad, fully. Come on.
I fully bad enough people. I the fix, you know. A freestyle. Not Fridays, we not bring it back. We not bring it back. Yo, people, I read that, you know, fully bad. Big up, respect. Don't know people. How are that?
Man. Blood clot. Yeah, man, big up the fix, big up Nara, dog. Gonna do the thing over there, big up Ari. You see me? Big up on the damn self, bro. Great content, y'all doing great stuff over there. You see me? I say, so gang, let me know what y'all think about that one, man. What y'all think about fully bad freestyling? You see me? Yeah, man, dog did his thing, bro. He really did his thing, bro. And his freestyle gave me a different appreciation for his songs and his diss tracks as well. He showed me that, yeah, man, we got good performances. Sting. Clarity is there. Dog, man, it's just dope. He's just overall dope, man. Clarity today, flow and everything. You hear his song, with the vibes. Yeah, man. Shout out to Fully Bad. Keep doing your thing, gang. Shout out to the fix, bro. Keep doing your thing. Now, Ari, big up on yourself all day. You're doing great stuff over there. We need more stuff like this for the culture, man. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to the fix, man. Real dope chat, gang. Yeah, man. My thing. Shout out to everybody. Gang, let me know what you think about the one. The one thing about Fully Bad. Did that shedding light upon you as far as what he could do as performance on the stage? Did you have a different appreciation for his music? Do you understand his lyrics a bit better and his vibe? He give me a better vibe and presence of Fully Bad now, and get what you expect from him, songs them. You see me, I say so. I'm glad he did do this. You see me, I say real dope chat. Big up Fully. Yeah, big up Demarco. Big up everybody in the clash. Big up everybody that's working in the culture. Appreciate everybody in this, man. You see me, I say, y'all dog chill spring all a shot towards Silk Boss and Brii. So we see a Fully Bad and Silk Boss. That'll be crazy, you know. Yeah, man, gang. We gotta, yeah, man. Real dope chat, man. You see me? Yeah, man. Real dope chat. You don't know. Till next time, gang. Drop your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think. What you want to think about this overall performance and the clash? Everything. Drop it down below. You don't know. Till next time, it's boy Jambisco out here and I. Smashing out. Banger. Till next time, take care of yourself on the show. Love you guys. I'm out.